Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today we are going to discuss about National Intellectual Property Rights Policy. The intellectual rights are private rights which are applied for and enforced by owner of concerned intellectual property. The IP professionals from the relevant fields, including legal field, assist them in this regard. The National IPR Policy was adopted on May 12, 2016. The rationale for this policy is to create awareness about the importance of intellectual property rights as a marketable financial asset and economic tool. The tagline is Creative India, Innovative India. Who implements IPRs in India? While the Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade shall be the nodal point to coordinate, guide and oversee implementation of IPRs in India, the actual responsibility for implementation remains with the concerned ministries and departments. Some of the other important points are India has a TRIPS compliant IPR regime. Under the Finance Act 2017, the Copyright Board and Intellectual Property Appellate Board have been merged. Also, the content on IPRs has been included in the NCERT curriculum of Commerce stream. India has greatly improved its rank in Global Innovation Index by World Intellectual Property Organization from 81st rank in 2015 to 52nd rank in 2019. There are 7 important objectives in National IPR policy. They are IPR awareness, outreach and promotion, generation of IPRs, legal and legislative framework, administration and management. Under this, a cell for IPR promotion and management, that is CPAM, is created. This will facilitate more effective and synergetic working between various IP offices. The other objectives are commercialization of IPR, enforcement and adjudication, and human capital development. Now let us see a question based on this. With reference to National Intellectual Property Rights Policy, consider the following statements. Statement number 1. It reiterates India's commitment to the Doha Development Agenda and TRIPS Agreement. This statement is true because India has a fully compliant TRIPS IPR regime. Statement number 2. Department of Industry Policy and Promotion is a nodal agency for regulating intellectual property rights in India. This is also true. Now, the Department of Industry Policy and Promotion is known as Department for Promotion of Industry and Internal Trade. So the answer is C, both 1 and 2. Thank you.